You are going to love the 2016 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, manual sliding rear window, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.